Mathematics dictates that there are at least 1 billion Class M type planets in the universe, possibly more than that. I'm being very conservative about the number. So what is Class M? Class M is the type of planet that's exactly like Earth. Well, now it seems that NASA is watching another Earth being formed as we speak, literally as we speak.
Evil must be punished.
Alrighty, space.com. Astronomers see second Earth in the making. By Kirathan, staff writer, posted 3 October 2007, 9:38 a.m. ET. Astronomers have spotted evidence of a second Earth being built around a distant star 424 light-years away. Using NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope, astronomers have spotted a huge belt of warm dust swirling around a young star called HD 113766 that is just slightly larger than our Sun. The dust belt, which scientists suspect is clumping together to form planets, is located in the middle of the star system's terrestrial habitable zone, where temperatures are moderate enough to sustain liquid water. Scientists estimate there is enough material in the belt to form a Mars-sized world or larger. At approximately 10 million years old, the star is just the right age for forming rocky planets, the researchers say. Their finding will be detailed in an upcoming issue of Astrophysical Journal. The timing of this system to be building an Earth is very good, said study team member Carrie Liss of the Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Laboratory in Baltimore, Maryland. If the star system were too young, the planet-forming disk would be full of gas, and it would be making a gas giant planet like Jupiter instead. If it were too old, Spitzer would have spotted rocky planets that had long ago formed. The star system also has the right mix of dusty materials in its disk to form an Earth-like planet, Liss said. Using Spitzer's infrared spectrometer instrument, the team determined that the material around HD 113766 is more processed than the snowball-like stuff that makes up infant solar systems and comets, which are considered cosmic refrigerators because they contain pristine ingredients from the solar system's formative period. But it is also not as processed as the stuff found in mature planets and asteroids. The material mix in this build is most reminiscent of the stuff found in lava flows on Earth, Liz said. I thought of Mauna Kea in Hawaii material when I first saw the dust composition in this system. It contains raw rock, and it's abundant in iron sulfides, which are similar to fool's gold. Alright, there's more to this. I'll give you a link. Essentially, they are literally watching a planet very, very similar to ours, literally being formed as we speak. Of course, the formation of this planet will undoubtedly take at least 7,000 years, if not longer. But it's kind of neat to be able to see it as it's being formed and shaped and whatnot. The spin, obviously, will eventually give it a nice, round, spherical shape. But I imagine that's pretty fascinating to watch, no doubt about it. The thing of it is, though, I can't stress enough, is that there are other Earth planets already out there, hopefully not inhabited, that we could go to if a calamity was to happen to ours. But of course, we can't do that without spaceships, and lots of them. And I just don't understand why we haven't spent more time building spaceships. In case we would have a disaster coming, we could get off this rock and get to another planet for safety. But I guess nobody ever really thought about it. Well, I'm thinking about it now. So what are we going to do about it now? Maybe we can get something accomplished. But anyway, a fascinating story. I thought you might enjoy it. But there are plenty of Earths out there, a lot closer, that we could get to. I feel confident in that. There's just too many. The universe is just too vast. I mean, we're talking billions and billions of solar systems just in one galaxy, and there's at least billions and billions of galaxies in the universe. Okay, so out of all of that, I'm sure there's at least a few million that have Class M type planets equal to our own that we could migrate to if it become absolutely necessary to do so. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Have a good day.